So, a balcony that's not really a balcony? Some say it's a game changer, others call it a gimmick.
We're spending nearly 2 weeks in Celebrity's Infinite Veranda Stateroom, and today we're taking you on a full tour, sharing what we love, what we don't, and whether we actually think it's worth it over a traditional balcony.
And, spoiler alert, some things really surprised us.
Let's dive in.
Hey everyone, Andy and Trey here for 2 Gay Expats.
In this video, we're covering everything you need to know about the Edge Stateroom with Infinite Veranda on board the beautiful Celebrity Apex, the second ship in Celebrity's Edge class series.
But before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
Alright, let's get into this Infinite Veranda room tour.
So, this is our Infinite Veranda Stateroom, and first impressions, it feels big.
Right? At 243 square feet, it's larger than many traditional balcony rooms on other cruise lines, and 23% bigger than veranda staterooms on Celebrity's older Solstice class ships.
Over here, we've got a king-sized bed, which is super comfy, plus nightstands with extra storage. But here's one annoying flaw. Only one side has power and USB outlet, while the other side just has a telephone.
Opposite the bed, there's a large flat screen TV that's fully interactive. You can check your onboard account, track the ship's location, or watch live TV like CNBC or ESPN.
Storage-wise, there's plenty of space. You get a full-length closet with drawers, a safe, and even an umbrella and bathrobes. Plus, we love this little tucked-away space for shoes and sandals.
Just past the bed, you'll find another set of drawers, the fully stocked minibar, and a desk.
And on top of the minibar, a charging station with European and American outlets, plus USB ports, perfect for keeping all your devices powered up.
There's also a sitting area with a couch, but the real star of the show, the Infinite Veranda.
So here's how it works. This isn't a traditional balcony with a sliding door. Instead, you have a floor-to-ceiling window that lowers with the press of a button. Think of it like a giant car window. Press the button and boom, your entire living space transforms into a balcony.
You can also close these folding doors to separate the veranda from the rest of the room.
But here's where opinions get divided. Some people love it, others not so much.
One big win, it maximizes space. You get extra seating, and on bad weather days, you can still enjoy the view without dealing with the wind or rain.
But the downside, it's not a real balcony. If you love stepping outside to feel the ocean breeze, this isn't quite the same experience.
Privacy can also be an issue. If your partner is still sleeping and you want some natural light for coffee or to catch up on the news, those folding doors won't block the brightness. The blackout blinds are all or nothing.
And here's something important to know. The ship automatically locks the window in bad weather, during strong winds, or while in port for cleaning. Plus, as soon as you open it, the air conditioning shuts off. So if you're sailing somewhere hot and humid, you might find yourself choosing between the fresh air and a comfortable cabin.
And speaking of quirks, let's talk about noise. We noticed constant creaking from the windows, especially in rough seas. It was so bad that we had to call maintenance. They doused the frame in WD-40, which helped, but not much.
So if you need absolute silence to sleep, you might prefer an inside stateroom. In fact, here's a quick look at our Edge Class inside stateroom on Celebrity Ascent. For more on our experience on Celebrity's newest ship, we'll drop a link for you in the description.
Now let's talk bathrooms, because this is one of the best we've had in a standard room. It's modern, spacious, and has a real glass shower door. No clingy curtains here.
You also get premium bath products, tons of counter space, and good lighting for getting ready. We seriously love all the additional storage space on both sides of the extra large sink for our toiletries. And if you use a hairdryer like me, you'll find that too.
Another thing we love, nightly Turndown Service. You get 2 chocolates and a printed Celebrity Today newsletter with all of the next day activities and special promotions around the ship.
And here's a cool feature we forgot to mention earlier. The desk slides away, converting the space into a large seating area, perfect for entertaining if you meet new friends on board.
So, is the Infinite Veranda a must-have or just a gimmick? Honestly, it depends. If you love extra space and sleek modern design, this is a great option.
But if you're all about fresh air and privacy, a traditional balcony might be a better fit.
Personally, we love it. This is our fourth cruise with Celebrity, and we've stayed in multiple cabin types across both Solstice and Edge class ships. If price weren't a factor, this would definitely be our go-to stateroom.
Now, before we wrap up, here are a few quick travel tips.
On embarkation day, don't worry if your stateroom isn't quite ready yet. You'll find your room keys outside your door, so you can drop off your luggage in the closet and secure any valuables in the safe before heading to your muster station to complete your safety briefing. After that, you're free to explore the ship.
A quick tip for finding your stateroom. When facing forward toward the bow of the ship, port is on the left side and starboard is on the right. On Apex, odd-numbered staterooms are on the left and even-numbered ones, like ours, are on the right. You'll find elevators and stairwells in the mid-aft and mid-forward sections of the ship. And don't forget to add some flair to your door to personalize it.
And if you're wondering which stateroom we stayed in, it was 6258, a partially obstructed infinite veranda with about a 10% view obstruction. We snagged it for $15.99 per person, including the classic drink package, Wi-Fi, and prepaid gratuities. A total steal for our 13-night transatlantic sailing from Fort Lauderdale, Florida to Barcelona, Spain.
Well, that's a wrap for our Infinite Veranda room tour. What do you think? Would you book one? Let us know down in the comments.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure in sunny Spain.
Hasta luego!